A lot of people feeling a little queasy after one of the most turbulent days in the history of Wall Street.
Just minutes after the Dow opened this morning, stocks took an unprecedented nosedive, causing confusion and panic. Fox Connecticut's Javon Vitale joins us now with a look at how this happened and what it could mean for your portfolio. Javon?
Yeah, Brett and Audrey, it was certainly an historic day on Wall Street, but for all the worst reasons. And tonight, analysts we spoke to say things are only going to get dicier. For many, that sound couldn't have come sooner. Wall Street opened Monday and the numbers plummeted. Within the first 10 minutes of trading, the Dow dropped nearly 1,100 points, making this day one of the rockiest in history.
The last several years, they've just gone up and up and up, and we really haven't had any kind of a pullback in 4 years now. So this is something that normally happens a couple times a year. The fact that we haven't had one in 4 years is somewhat of an anomaly.
Analysts believe the U.S. markets were reacting to turmoil in China. The Chinese government announced manufacturing was at a 6-year low, causing fears the world's second largest economy wasn't as strong as originally thought. Consequently, investors around the world feared the worst, and a massive sell-off starting with commodities was underway, causing stock values to drop.
I think the volatility is going to continue, in my opinion, and I think it is because of the uncertainty that's hanging over the market.
When it comes to long-term planning, analysts say it's best to not take any drastic action with retirement funds and just ride this out.
I think people just need to be cautious. I wouldn't be chasing this. I would be very opportunistic, and I would have a lot more cash than normal.
Meanwhile, people we spoke to say they still have faith in the economy, but hope market forces work themselves out soon.
I know it will even out, but as to say whether I'm worried about retirement, not at this time. And my son is still about 8 years away from college, so his Ched plan is good.
Now, as hard as it is to imagine, there is a little bit of a silver lining because prices are low right now, and experts say if you have some cash on hand, this may be a good time to buy some stocks while they're cheap before prices go back up, if you're able to. Javon Vitale, Fox, Connecticut.